transfer to your WeChat and to your computer, make a Word file, send back to you. Okay. So I eliminated this part 1 limitation because maybe somebody cannot convert it into PDF and send back to me. So I will upload this part 1 answer sheet as well.
Okay.
Okay. Any more questions?
Yes, sir. And how about handwriting or typing?
Typing and handwriting, I think for me is okay. For
Okay.
if you want to have a typing, you want to edit the PDF file, you can use typing as well. For me, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
But not for assignments. For assignments, I'm really strict about handwriting.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, right, right.
Any other question?
When is it? Oh.
Oh, yes. What day is it?
Yes, that's what I want to talk about later. Okay. Day. So we have options. Either we're gonna do it on 15, or either we can do it on 17, because 16, many of the students they have proposal defense. So I think in this microeconomics, I think none of you guys having a proposal defense, up to my knowledge. So if you have it, then we can pen it to 17 or 15. Otherwise, 16 is okay for me as well. So you tell me, 15, 16, or 17?
17.
17. I think 17.
Okay, Carolina, 17?
17.
Leta, 17?
Depends on
17.
what time would it be?
Okay, first we decide the day, then we decide the time.
Okay, 17 is good, yeah.
Okay, Mikhail?
Yes, 17 as well.
Okay, Coco?
Yes.
Constantine? Constance, right?
Yes.
Okay, Joanne?
17.
Tiffany?
What everyone else said.
Okay. We have Polly here as well. Hello, Polly. Okay, Polly, whatsoever. I'm sorry, I couldn't pronounce well.
Ploy is ploy.
Ploy, okay.
17,
17,
right?
17 or 16?
17.
Okay, so we're gonna have our midterm 17. So we finalized on 17. Okay, so what time it is? The best time that I had in my previous online class, it would be 6 p.m. Shanghai time to onward. We can also start at 5 p.m. as well. So all the timing going to be Shanghai time. So you tell me what time suits you. Either 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. And paper going to be for 2 hours.
Yes, I have a class at 8 p.m.
8
on
p.m.
Wednesday.
So I think 6 p.m. suits you guys well.
I have a class
Or
6 p.m.
6 p.m.?
Yeah, it starts at 6:30.
6:30, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
So how
about
we gonna-
10?
10 p.m. at night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, no problem. If you have a problem, anyone else have a problem at night?
No.
No, not for me.
No.
How about-
At night it's about what time you prefer?
Okay, how about 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Shanghai time? Let me just clear it so that we can have a clear picture here. How about 9 p.m. Shanghai time to 11 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 10 p.m.? What suits you best?
I think 9 to 11.
Let me just write it down. Option A,
That's
option B. Which one suits you best? Option A or option B? Everyone.
B.
Option A.
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 A, B, A, B. How about those who are saying option B? Can everyone follow this option B?
I have a class at that time.
8 p.m.
Yes, until 9:30. So
9:30.
yeah.
Until 9:30.
Yes.
Okay, then we need to fix this one
Of
from
But
9:30
what about, yeah,
to 11:30.
Yeah, that's good.
That's, I think,
or
will satisfy everyone. 9:30 to 11:30 p.m. Yes, who wanna contribute?
yeah, that's good.
So everybody, are we done with this time?
Yes.
Yeah.
So day is 17th of June 2020. So I'm gonna
Yes.
lock this time and day for our midterm, right? Perfect. So we have true, false, multiple choice questions, and we have very short questions to answer. Right? Any more questions regarding our midterm? So are we clear?
I have
Yeah.
more question.
Yes, sure.
Since so there's true and false questions and then there's short questions. So in the short questions, we won't have to draw graphs, or will?
No, I'm not gonna ask you to draw graphs, but I'm gonna, like, you need to draw, I'm gonna give you a table, you need to draw a graph. No, I want you to explain the graph. For
Okay.
example, like finding new equilibrium,
Mhm.
right? You need to draw and then just explain it. Where is the new equilibrium fall? That's it. I'm not going to give you a table and ask you, where is this, make a new graph and follow the x coordinate and y coordinate. No, that's the mathematical part. Your mathematical teacher will tell you. And I'm going to ask you to find out new equilibrium, the shift in supply curve, where does the direction is like that. So that I'm going to ask you.
Okay.
Any other question? Carolina, any question?
I'm just wondering when the final is gonna be. Is it in July?
Okay, so yeah, that I would be discussing later on, but since you asked this question, so I'm gonna also discuss this one. So we halt our lecture for 2 weeks. Unfortunately, I was hospitalized as well, so I couldn't record the lectures, and we don't have any class at that time. So there's going to be a delay in our this micro. So the
You
best solution
disappeared,
for
so
me
we
is
don't know what you said.
what?
You disappeared. The connection was bad, so we couldn't hear anything.
Okay. So can you hear right now?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. So I was discussing due to my unfortunate illness, I couldn't have a lecture with you for 2 weeks. So the best solution is that this course is going to be delayed for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Or the solution is that I'm going to push you with 3 lectures in a week. So or 2 lectures
No
in a
thanks.
week. So if that pressure you're going to handle it, then we can do it on time. Otherwise, it's better to have like 1 week or 2 weeks delayed, so that you can better understand, and we have a proper Zoom meeting for each lecture, and then assignments properly. Then you will really understand well. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of pressure for you, and maybe I think that by fulfilling this kind of handling this pressure, you may lose marks in other subjects as well. So that's my concern.
Yeah. I don't need any more additional stress. So let's take
So that's what I'm talking
prolong
about. If we
the,
can delay this for until 15
yes.
to 20th July, and I hope there is no problem for you guys.
Yeah.
Anyone who
Good.
has some kind of schedule meeting or something in this 15 to 20 July, please let me know in advance so that I can talk to management, and we're going to fix over this delayed issue. No one?
No, I'm fine.
Yes.
Just
Okay.
only having vacation, but that's fine.
I would try to finish it as early as possible. 8 lectures we already finished. 8 lectures mean if we do it 2 lectures a week, which we normally do that. So if we have 2 lectures a week, then I think we can finish it before 10th of July. And I really work hard on that one to, do not pressurize you, or do not make you more difficult, difficulties or all those stuff. So that's my job, to make you understand the concepts. Plus, I am available for 24 hours. You can, sorry, you can send me personal message as well, but it's better if you send me message in a group so that the others can also benefit for that question. But I'm 24/7 available on WeChat. So if you send me some question, I will definitely answer that. Besides this Zoom
Okay,
meeting.
thank you. Yes, thank you.
Okay, so any question regarding our lectures or something? Jordan.
Yeah, I do have about
Yeah.
about concern checker, but you send it to you answer to me in the group.
Yeah, okay. That one, I think
Yeah, that one
I
I
remember
didn't get
that one.
it.
Let me just write it down. We have a quantity, I think. Let me just see that so that it's posted here, right? Can you post it again? Yeah,
Okay.
I found it.
Uh,
This question. So we have our, let me just write down the quantity is 122 and labor is, I think, 12, and then quantity is 132 and labor is 13, right? Find out
yes.
marginal product, right? That was the
Yes.
question,
Correct.
right? So what is
Yeah.
the formula for marginal product? Change in quantity divided by change in input, or you can say that change in output divided by change in input. In this case, what is the input? Input is the labor, right? What is the output? Output is the quantity. So how we can find out change? New value minus old value. So what is the new value here? New value is 132, right? Old value is 122. What is the new input value? New labor is 13 minus old labor 12.
13, yeah.
So 132 minus 122 answer is 10. So that is our marginal product. And how we can explain that? By adding one more worker. If you are having 12 workers, by adding one more worker, that worker will increase only 10 in your outputs. Right, Jordan?
Yeah, right.
Got it?
I got it.
Got it. Okay, any other question? Anyone of you guys? No more question?
Have a good evening, sir.
Okay. So
Yeah, okay. There's
if you don't have,
only 10 minutes remaining.
okay. If you don't have any question, then we're gonna end the meeting.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm just
So,
leaving. Okay.
okay. Stay safe.
Yes, sir. Have a good evening.
Good
Have a
evening.
good
as well. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
Thank
I'm gonna
you.
upload the
Bye
link on the
bye.
YouTube as well. See you. Bye
Perfect.
bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.